The National Herald case, so trouble mounts for the Gandhis. FIR copy in the National Herald case has been accessed by India today. Gandhis have been named in this fresh National Herald case FIR, and criminal conspiracy charge has been levelled on Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi and Sam Pitroda, who is a close aide of the Gandhis, has been named in the October 3rd FIR. Now the charge is fraudulent takeover of AJL. In fact, a Kolkata-based shell company Dotex has also been named in this FIR. The FIR also mentions shell company gave seed money to the Gandhis for the fraudulent takeover. My colleague Arvind Ojha gets us more details on this.
इंडिया टुडे ने FIR की कॉपी भी एक्सेस की है जो दिल्ली पुलिस की EOW विंग ने रजिस्टर्ड की है। इसमें राहुल गांधी, सोनिया गांधी समेत कुल 6 लोगों के नाम रजिस्टर्ड है। उसमें कुछ कंपनियों के भी नाम दर्ज है। देखिए, इस पूरे मामले की जांच पहले से ही ईडी कर रही है मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग एक्ट के तहत, और पूरी जांच करने के बाद जो चार्जशीट है वो कोर्ट में सबमिट भी कर चुकी है ईडी की टीम। जो पूरा जो स्कैम था उसमें जब ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन की ईडी ने तो ये पाया कि इस मामले में क्रिमिनल कॉन्स्पिरेसी का चार्ज भी लगता है, जिसके बाद कंप्लेंट दिल्ली पुलिस की EOW को टीम को दी गई और उसके बाद उस ईडी की कंप्लेंट पर EOW की टीम ने FIR रजिस्टर्ड किया है। वही पुराना मामला है जिसकी ईडी जांच कर रही थी, जिसमें बताया गया था कि यंग इंडिया ने AJL को 50 लाख लोन दिया। उसके बाद AJL के मार्फत पूरी तरह से कंपनी को हड़पा गया और उसके बाद 2000 करोड़ से ज़्यादा की जो प्रॉपर्टी है उसको कब्जे में ले लिया गया कांग्रेस के जरिए। इसीलिए जो पूरी तरह से ये क्रिमिनल कॉन्स्पिरेसी का केस बनता है और इस वजह से ईडी की टीम ने कंप्लेंट दी, जिस पर EOW की टीम ने FIR रजिस्टर्ड किया है।
So trouble mounts for the Gandhis as probe in National Herald case deepens. Economic Offences Wing of the Delhi Police has registered a fresh FIR in the case, naming Congress leaders Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi. Now, the accused face charges of criminal conspiracy related to the alleged fraudulent takeover of Associated Journals Ltd and its assets worth 2,000 crore rupees. The FIR also names entities such as Young Indian and Dotex, a Kolkata-based shell company allegedly used to route funds. Now, this new legal challenge adds to the existing money laundering probe by the Enforcement Directorate. This FIR, dated October 3rd, was filed based on a complaint from the Enforcement Directorate. Meanwhile, a Delhi court has deferred its order on the cognizance of ED charge sheet filed in the same case. The ED has accused Congress leaders Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, as well as late party leaders Motilal Vora and Oscar Fernandez, along with Suman Dubey, Sam Pitroda, and a private company, Young Indian, of conspiracy and money laundering.
देखिए, ये जितना केस रहा है अभी तक इस केस में कोई दम नहीं है और ये बिल्कुल सरकार की तरफ से, ईडी और लोगों की तरफ से मैनिपुलेटेड केस है। बहुत सीधा साधा केस है, इसमें कुछ भी नहीं रखा है और मैं तो इस चीज़ से आश्चर्यचकित हूँ कि इतनी देर कोर्ट ने इसको रखा। मेरे हिसाब से तो कोर्ट को उसको पहली बार फेंक देना चाहिए था, इसमें कुछ है नहीं। अब कोर्ट क्या कहता है वो तो कोर्ट जाने, लेकिन हमें जो खबरें आ रही हैं वो बहुत अच्छी इस बात को नहीं है। वो दिखाती है कि शायद सरकार कोई अन्यथा प्रेशर न कहीं बनाए इस जजमेंट पे, पर देखते हैं, जजमेंट आती है तो देखते हैं। लेकिन केस में ना कुछ है, ना कुछ पहले था, ना कुछ इनको मिला है।
ये मामला आगे चलेगा। बड़ा सारा घोटाला है, एक बहुत बड़ा घोटाला है और किस प्रकार से 50 लाख रुपए के सिर के ऊपर 5000 करोड़ रुपए की कंपनी को हथिया लिया। तो ये पूरा मामला है। जैसे जैसे आगे बढ़ेगा वैसे वैसे कांग्रेस हाईकमांड के लिए, राहुल गांधी और सोनिया गांधी के लिए दिक्कतें बढ़ेंगी।
Trouble clearly mounts for the Gandhis as probe in the National Herald case is now deepening. The Economic Offences Wing of the Delhi Police have registered a fresh FIR in this case, which has named Congress leaders Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi. Now, the accused face charges of criminal conspiracy related to the alleged fraudulent takeover of AJL or Associated Journals Ltd and also its assets worth 2,000 crore rupees. The FIR also names entities such as Young Indian and Dotex. Now, Dotex is a Kolkata-based shell company allegedly used to route funds for the alleged fraudulent takeover of AJL. Now, this new legal challenge adds to the existing money laundering probe by the Enforcement Directorate. And we're now being joined by BJP's R P Singh on the broadcast on the story. Mr. Singh, a very good morning to you. How do you view this latest development in the National Herald case? A fresh FIR has been filed in which the names of Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi has emerged, and criminal conspiracy charges have been levelled against the two leaders.
Well, it's a normal procedure, and it's a normal procedure of Economic Offences Wing, because if ED files a case where there is a case of fraud of 988 crore rupees, so obviously the follow-up has to be done by the Economic Offence also to get into the details and find out more about it. It's a very normal procedure, and then yes, they should obviously get into it and try to find out what is the exact corruption which has happened and how it was done, and who are the other players who are involved into this.
Mr. Singh, but the Congress leaders claim that there's no truth in this case and this is just a ED manipulated case.
Well, every such case, how can you purchase a company worth 1,000 crore rupees by just bringing 50 lakh rupees that to trip routed through some company from Kolkata? So everyone knows it. I mean, it's a very open and shut case. It's a matter of court to decide, and court has already allowed ED to file a charge sheet.
Right. Mr. R P Singh, thank you for joining us on the broadcast. We're also being joined by BJP's Tom Vadakkan. Mr. Vadakkan, a very good morning to you. So trouble is mounting for the Gandhis. Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi have been named in the fresh FIR in the National Herald case. In fact, a criminal conspiracy charge on the Gandhis. How do you view this development?
Well, this has been an open and shut case for quite some time, and the investigation is on. This is not a banana republic. There is the courts that will take cognizance of it, and I'm sure the guilty will be punished, and the rule of law must be maintained. This kind of manipulations don't work, because just because they were the ruling party for quite some time, they never expected the role will change. And this profits that they've made needs to be exposed before the public. And I think this is what is happening. And law will take its own course.
But the Congress party remains adamant. The leaders are claiming that there's no truth in this case and this is just a ED manipulated case and their leaders are being targeted.
ED cannot fabricate any case from fresh air. It has to have evidence, and they have done it. Thorough investigation has been going on. And the fact of the matter, these people should have been in jail for a long time back. But now that the evidences are coming up and things are being established and the links are opened up and they have been, many of them have been interrogated, their statement and the facts that don't match. So there are evidences, very strong evidences now that have come up. So this is the process that Congress party will always claim that this is all politically motivated. That's the broken record that they've been playing for quite some time. What it may, let the investigation take its place and the guilty need to be punished. And whatever the Congress says is irrelevant. Let them go to the court and explain it. And if they feel that they are not on merit, then the courts are always open. But at the same time, there can be no fabrication of evidence and things that may happen, which they will attempt. And that should not be happening, because the courts are watching the whole development. And I think the entire system has kept them under the radar.
All right, Mr. Tom Vadakkan, thank you for speaking with India today on this latest development in the National Herald case, where trouble clearly mounts for the Gandhis, as Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi's name they have been named in this fresh FIR filed on October 3rd. And in fact, criminal conspiracy charges have been levelled against the Gandhis. And we'll now take you through the full anatomy of what, as per the Enforcement Directorate, the National Herald scam is. Now, the agency says that Young Indian, in which Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi own 76%, took control of AJL, Associated Journals Ltd real estate assets worth 2,000 crore rupees. Now, the Enforcement Directorate adds that the deal was done without paying the actual market value, and the ED also claims that there was a Kolkata-based shell company, Dotex, which provided 1 crore seed money for Gandhis for the illegal takeover of the AJL, that is the Associated Journals Ltd. Now, the ED adds that while Young Indian got bogus donations to the tune of 18 crore, the AJL got bogus revenue to the tune of 70 crore rupees. So, the illegal takeover, the alleged fraudulent takeover of AJL by the Gandhis through Young Indian, and in fact, not just the takeover, but they also took over assets worth 2,000 crore rupees in just a few lakhs.